accessory, itong dashcam. This is 70 mai or I don't know, 70 mai. Na-order ko to siya sa Shopee, and this is very useful para sa ating mga Sonet kasi walang dashcam ang kotse natin. So now it's time for us to put and install one. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Right, first thing to do, we need to find a spot para sa ating camera. So most likely ganito ang pwestuhan ng ating camera. So right in the center, pwede rin dito sa taas konti. Boom. Yeah. We just need to align this sa ating mirror. Yan. Pwede ganyan. Taasan na rin konti. Yan. So once you get the spot, your first step, so ilagay yung itong film na to. So this is the film that you're gonna put first. So right here, just like that. Tapos punasan muna yung spot na yun right around here. So gagawin lang natin ulit ay tatansyahin kung saan natin lalagay ito. So again, make sure it's aligned sa ating so make sure it's aligned sa ating rear view mirror. Tapos okay lang naman yan sa driver natin kasi kita naman natin. And then we're gonna put it right around here. Ganyan. So in this case, we're gonna peel now this part here. Okay. And konti lang naman. So again, tansya lang to guys. Kaya nyo to mag-isa. No problem. You don't need to get you don't need to pay someone para mag-install nito. Okay, so that's, I think okay na ako dito sa itaas konti. Yeah. But hindi ko siya kita eh sa normal na mata. Ito medyo out of position. Ito. Yeah, I think this is good enough for me. So ganun lang. Just need to put it right here, and then you get pag ito ilipat hindi straight or something, talagang ewan ko. I think it's right. Yeah, I think that's right. Just make sure no walang bubbles. So we're gonna take away the bubbles. So kailangan natin nag-install kasi ako dapit hapon na. So I suggest you install yours yung may araw pa, or if your place is really bright, then yeah, you can do it too. Me, I need to install it now kasi gagamitin ko siya mamayang gabi. I'm going to sell my old tires from my old vehicle. Yan, dadalhin ko siya sa work. Doon kami magkikita ng buyer. You need to be patient with this one. Kasi pag natira yung bubbles baka malaglag siya or something. And I think too, pag may bubbles rin, I think kita rin siya sa labas. Gotta check it outside just to be sure. Good thing naman, hindi siya visible. So it's time for us to put the 3M sticker dito sa likod. As well, one last check sa mga bubbles. May mga bubbles pa rin yun sa akin guys, pero at least sa gabi hindi na siya nakikita sa labas. I'm hoping mawawala rin to pag nanainitan. I'm not sure if that's still the logic behind it. Pag nainitan, hopefully mawala ang bubbles ito. But if hindi, then malas. But actually I bought few other transparent stickers para nito. So eto na, I'm going to install this now. Oops, wait. Okay, just may guide siya mga mamsir eh. There we go. That's good. Great. May guide siya, so kita nyo naman. Okay. So this camera actually has a rear camera too. We're gonna install it later as well. So next step is installing this. So before, ang ginawa ko sa old car ko is pinasok ko siya dito. Problem is there was one problem nung time na yun. After ko kinabit dito sa singit-singit, filament ng film or yung film mismo ng tint ay na uga or nag-crack or para siyang nag-deform. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, but I think that's because of the installation that I made. The problem though on that vehicle is walang gap sa dito niya walang gap, so talagang pinay ko siya ng ganun. Now I don't wanna try and force it kumbaga, but I'm not sure kasi meron namang gap siya eh, so ewan ko ha. Yeah, I think pwede. Oh yeah, you can. This is actually much better than before. Yung sa previous ko actually is that there's no gap, and then hindi rin madaling ma-move itong ceiling niya. So ito naman parang madali lang to. Yeah, that's okay. So this is actually good, at least. I'm just scared para sa tint ko eh. Pero may nakita naman ako sa TikTok na ginawa niya to. So I'm hoping this will also be the same para sa atin. Really scared, dude. Baka kasi pati huwag niya lang kaya natin So this is, I can feel the film sa ating tint. Hindi naman siya natatamaan, but dude, I'm scared. Let's see. May isa akong option. Let's see if that will actually work. So this is the other option that I'm talking about. These are beam line buckles. So dinidikit mo siya sa mga parte-parte kung saan para daanan ng mga linya ng mga wires. Let's try and see if this will work. It has stickers as well with 3M. So for sure malakas itong kumapit. So all we gotta do is gonna test it instead na padaanin natin yung wire dito, which is natatakot ako baka kasi pagkakalagay ng windshield niya is hindi yung before sa mga old car models kung saan may dinidikit silang goma sa ibabaw ng linya kung saan nila dinikit. Ito wala, so there's nothing. So let's see if this type of option will work fine. And kung hindi naman, madali lang naman itong tanggalin. So I'm gonna put one right here. Yan. And then I'm gonna there. Ooh. Okay. Tanggal ah. Oops. Okay, there we go. Yan. Okay. Okay, good. May isa na tayo. Then we're gonna... Oh no. Looks like sobrang tagal na nito sa baul, ayaw na niyang dumikit. Yan. Kailangan na natin ng bago ah. Then I'm gonna align it with another one. Dito naman siya sa gitna. What if I do this? Oh, let's do it like this. Yo, just need to wait for them to stick. Those I think I can just pry this pillar here. Yeah. So yun. Let's do this method first. Then if hindi talaga, susundin natin yung other method kung saan papasok na lang natin talaga siya yun sa. So the next step is to put it in the pillar. Oh no. Ouch. Ouch, ouch. Ah, hirap ah. Hirap. Mahirap po. Ooh, that's hard. Ah, looks like I can't do it here in this side, so I'll do it in the other side. Do it here. Hi guys, what's up sa mga mananap? Good morning to you. So today is the second day na i-install sana natin yung dashcam, pero hindi ko na lang talaga punersa na ipasok dito yung kable. Although may nakita ko sa TikTok na ginawa nila yon, but for me I just don't wanna risk it kasi nung trinay kong ipili yung yung kisame, yung glass niya ay umuuga-uga, so I just don't wanna risk it anymore. Tapos ito rin masyado napaka nitong goma, napakatigas, so if I go and force it, baka siya, maging maluwag siya or something. Anyway, may nakita naman ako sa YouTube na ganitong setup lang ginawa niya sa kanyang dashcam. So ganyan lang. So that's ganyan lang dito, tapos dito sa ilalim. Yan. Nilagyan ko na lang ng tire wire para maging clean siya. Sakto naman yung pitaka, tsaka ito dyan. Tapos may lalagyan pa naman ng phone dito sa ilalim. Mga barya. Dyan, pwede rin yung phone dyan. Meron pa naman dito. Yan ang maganda dito sa kapisonit natin. Maraming lalagyan. So, meron naman ako ding dito. So, all in all, it's good. Ano bang next nating i-install? Yeah, we'll be installing our ano tawag dun? Visor dito. Rain visor para sa ating Sonet si Kiana. Kaya susunod na episode or vlog na lang yun. For now, relax muna tayo. Bye bye.